Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to manage online payments if you are under 18. PayPal is a widely used platform, but it has strict age requirements. Understanding these rules is crucial to avoid issues like account closure or held funds. We will explore why these policies are in place and discuss the best ways for young individuals to engage with digital finance safely and legally, ensuring a smooth experience for everyone involved. PayPal's official policy states that you must be at least 18 years old to open an account. This isn't an arbitrary rule. It's rooted in legal compliance. Financial platforms require users to enter into binding contracts, which individuals under the age of 18 generally cannot do. Attempting to create an account while underage can result in its permanent closure, and any funds within it may be held for up to 180 days. The most common and recommended solution for young individuals is to have a parent or legal guardian open a PayPal account in their own name. This adult account holder can then permit the minor to use the account under their direct supervision. It's vital to remember that the parent or guardian remains fully and legally responsible for all transactions and activities conducted through that account, ensuring accountability and security. When using a parent's account, always ensure you have their explicit permission for every transaction. Discuss online safety and be vigilant against potential scams, as the digital world has its risks. For those seeking more independence, explore alternative financial tools specifically designed for minors, often featuring robust parental controls. These options can provide valuable experience in managing money responsibly until you reach the age of 18.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.